Hey YouTube, this video got a Condor Dolphin 1, and Xhost released an update on the app that you can now use the M5 clamp, which is a combination of the M1 and M2 clamp on the Dolphin 1. So I went on AliExpress, and for about 230 bucks I got a clamp. I'm going to unbox it here, and we'll put it on the machine, and we will try it out. Now you do have to update your firmware and your app for this to actually work, so already done that. There's our clamp. They vacuum seal it for us to keep it fresh, I guess. Alright, so there it is. And the cool thing about the M5 clamp is, it is the M1 and M2 combined. You just open it all the way up, and you can actually rotate it over to the B side, which is like the M2 clamps. You don't gotta swap clamps back and forth, which is really nice if you ever are doing a lot of keys in one place. You don't have to keep swapping them. So we'll get it swapped out, and we'll test it out here. So I'm gonna go ahead and loosen that. We'll slide off our M1 clamp. Set it aside, do a little house cleaning here. And we'll go ahead and install the M5 clamp. Crank it down. And we'll fire the machine up here. And you don't have to actually calibrate this. I'm just going to jump into the Xhost app. And we will connect. And we're just going to have to go to device information, cutting settings, and we're going to now select the M5 clamp. It's now an option in the app when it wasn't. It's set parameter, which actually saves it. And then we're going to cut a key to a Toyota Prius here. It's a Toy 48 keyblade. And we'll cut it by code using all keys lost. Go to Toyota. And the code on the lock here is 46081. I don't know if that's coming through on the camera or not here, but it's 46081 is the code. So I'll go ahead and dial that up in the app here. 46081. And hopefully these servers are up, but it'll pull some information for us. And it did here. So we're doing Toy 48. And there's our cuts. And it's telling us to use the B clamp on the M5. So go ahead and we'll rotate it around. And put the key on line number 2 here. I have a Dolphin 2 as well. This knob is actually different on this one than it is on the other one here, but I guess as long as it works, it doesn't really matter. Sorry, here to do a great job positioning my tripod. It's like right in the way, but all right, there we go. So we got it on position 2, nice and snugged up here. And we'll jump over to the app, and we'll just hit cut key. Just going to index the key here and see what that it checks that it is the M5 clamp. Indexing the key, and there's no calibration or anything here. It's just going to cut the key. Alright, so there's one side, housekeeping here, and we'll flop it around and do the second side here. All right, so line number 2. You got it snugged up. And I'll jump back onto the app here, hit OK for complete, and now we're going to cut side 2. Alright, so cutting is now complete. More housekeeping here. And then we'll go ahead and we'll test it out and see if it works. Key goes in. It turns perfectly. So there we go, and that is the M5 clamp on the Condor Dolphin number 1. Questions or comments, please put them in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that stuff. And really don't have much more to say about this. So until next time, we'll talk to everybody later.